Hi, welcome for another standing lesson. This time it's for your shoulders. When you're ready, just turn around yourself in standing and let your arms swing. And notice how that feels. Notice if one side you go to is easier, if the head is turning and the distance between your feet. And now take your arms out to the sides. And now we're going to reach to the right and then take the chest, the head to go over the chest. So since the arm is reaching to the right, we take our chest right. Let's move the head to be over the chest and then come back. And now try the opposite, reaching your arm to the left. As we reach, the chest moves, so we want to take our head over the chest so it turns. Let's try that again on the right. Reach to the right, notice the chest move, so then change your head so that it's over the chest. Reach with the left, feel the chest move, change the head so it's over your chest. Pause for a minute, resting the arms. Once again, have your arms out, reach to the right as far as you possibly can, and stay just extending here on the right as far as you can possibly. And then the left, extend as far as you possibly can to the left. Just notice how far you can go with arms right out to the side. And now as you extend to the right, let's go back to the right. Can you stay behind the arm? So see if you can come behind your arm that's extending. You'll have to move your body. Now to the other side as it extends, can you come behind your arm so that the arm is in front of you? Let's try that again on the right. Reach, can you come behind your arm? On the left, reach, can you come behind your arm? Pause, let the arms fall for a moment. Arms back up, we're gonna reach side to side and let the head fall in the direction we're reaching. So right ear to right shoulder as we reach to the right, left ear to left shoulder as we reach to the left. Keep going back and forth in this way. You can go slower, make sure you're breathing. Your wrists or palms, hands can be soft too if you prefer. So you can have them out straight or soft. Feel what happens in your back. And then pause for a moment, take your arms down. Come to rest for a moment, either in seated or on your back, and just pause. And once again, when you're ready, we'll come back in standing. This time we're gonna reach to the right once more. Arms are to the right, we're gonna stay towards that direction. Now let's reach toward the right with our arms and face too. And come back. Left side, reach, and now reach with your arms and head and face too. So your arm reaches and then your head and face follow. And then the other side, arm reaches, head and face follow. Go back and forth like that. Following the arm with your head and face. Noticing the difference as you do it this way. Pause in the middle. We're going to take the head and face in the opposite direction. So reach to the right, take your head and face to the left. Reach to the left, take your head and face to the right. Reach to the right, head and face to the left. To the left, head and face to the right. So you're going to go back and forth like that for a moment. Pause for a moment. Take the arms down. And now take the arms to the right, see if you feel a difference. Take the arms to the left, see if you feel a difference. Pause once again. And now have the arms come out with palms face up. And now we're going to take those palms to touch. As you do, take the head back. And as the palms come back out, take the head back to where it was. The palms come up to touch as you take your head back. And then the palms come back down. And continue that movement. As the palms come up, you take the head back. As they come down, the head comes back to neutral. And you can take the head back so the eyes look up as well. Notice what you feel in the rest of you, and then pause for a moment. You can walk around or just pause and standing. Now once more, we're going to do the same thing, but this time as the palms come up, we're going to look down. So as the palms come up, look down. And as they come back to where you were. Look down each time the palms come up and back as they come back. And notice the feeling in the back if it's different than it was before. Pause that, rest your arms for a moment. You can come to seated, or you can also just walk or stand, but take a break. When you feel ready to come back, we're going to turn to our right and have the arms turn. So now I'm facing my right side, so I've turned my whole body to the right. From here, I'm going to take the arms up and take the head back, just like we were doing, but now it's slightly over the right hip. So if you're turned to the right, it's going to be a little bit of a different movement. The head goes back as the hands come together, as you're turned to the right. And a couple of times, take the head down in this position and notice how this is being turned to the right with this movement. What do you feel in your armpits, in your body, in your breath? Turn back to center, pause for a moment, and just notice how you feel. Arms are back out, palms up, turn to your left. With arms to the left now, we're going to take the hands together and take the head back and come back. So you're turned to your left. From there, the head comes back. As the palms come together, the arms stay relatively straight. And notice what happens in your pelvis, your back, and your chest. Notice your ribs. And now take the head down a couple of times, turn to your left. Noticing how it is on this side. Spine is to the left. And pause that and come back to a neutral position and just rest for a moment. Once you're ready to come back, let's come back to palms down, just like we did in the beginning. Reach to the right, see how far you go. Reach to the left, see how far you go. And now let the head fall in the direction you're reaching once again, and notice how this is. If there's any difference. Head is falling in the direction you're reaching. Towards the extending arm. Feeling for any differences from the beginning. Continue doing that for another moment. And now let's have the head go opposite. So as we extend the right arm, we're going to take the left ear to the left shoulder. As we extend the left arm, we're going to take the right ear to the right shoulder. So you're going opposite with the ear to arm as the arm you're extending. The arm that's extending is going out. The other arm receives the ear. And just notice how this is. Feeling how the chest and the ribs and everything have to bend. Pause that and just rest your arms for a moment in any position. You can come to rest and sitting down if you would like. Once more, we'll come back. As you reach, now take the head and face. As I reach right, I'm going to take my head and face to the right. As I reach left, I'm going to do the same. So you're following the arm with the head and face, as though they want to reach in that direction. Feel what happens in the weight over the feet, as well as your back, and any other part of the body that's interesting. Notice how this is different from before if it is. And pause and rest your arms for another moment. And then once more, we'll come back and reach the arms to the right and to the left and just see how this movement is now. Do you have a more flexible chest? Let's try turning. Notice how this is compared to the beginning when you first started. You can always pick up the opposite heel if you'd like, or if you want to just stay with the original turn. Just notice how that is now. I hope your arms, shoulders, and body feel great today. Thank you for joining me.